This is complete random behavior. Complete random voices too. I'm sorry, sir, but we do not have that kind of rope in this store. Nor do we even sell rope here. I think you'll have to go to the hardware store around the corner. Thank you. Come again. I'm gonna do some lines from Monty Python. Quest for the Holy Grail. We are the knights who say me. We demand that you cut down the highest tree in the forest with a herring. A herring? That's absurd. Arthur. Arthur. What are you doing? Groveling. Well, don't. Every time I try to talk to somebody, it's sorry this and forgive me that, and I am not worthy. What are you doing now? I'm averting my eyes, oh Lord. Well, don't. It's like those miserable shards. They're so depressing. Now knock it off. Yes, Lord. What is your name? Arthur, King of the Britons. What is your quest? To seek the Grail. What is the weight of an unladen swallow? African or European? I don't know that. Now some lines from the producers. Now Hitler. There was a painter. He could finish a whole house in one day. 2 coats. How can I shoot you when you won't stop moving? Come out and die like men! Let me think. Oh yeah. Affleck! Of course, that's the only thing I could say like him. Let's see. What else can I do? Yeah! That's a peacock. Let's see. Cardinal is... And of course, quail is... And of course I can do a crow. Ah! That's really annoying though. I don't want to do it because it's way too loud. But I've actually had them answer me back, which is sort of creepy. They look at me and think, what? They probably think I'm another crazed human being trying to learn their language. What else? Not gonna do it. Not gonna eat my broccoli. Or, let's see. Oui, oui, monsieur. Comment allez-vous? Bon, bon. Of course, I could imitate a pretty good Japanese accent, even though my Japanese is not up to standard. It's not good enough to use in conversation, but...
Did you do me a favor, honey?
What's that?
I think I forgot to take that pill after lunch.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay.
And listen to me, I'll tell you where it is.
Okay.
I've moved it. I think it's on the step into the... Okay, just bring the whole thing, and then I'll take the thing out, and I'll throw it back up.
How about I give it to you, and I take it back up? There.
How many have I got left? One?
It's got one left. That's 6 days.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Oh, wait a minute.
That's it.
Wait a minute, I've got one.
Just one that you take tomorrow. One.
What? No, I think this one is another coming.
No, you have one more, and that's one tablet before breakfast, and that's your last pill.
But I should have one before at bedtime.
No, it says one tablet before breakfast and at bedtime. So you don't take that one. You take that one when you go to sleep. So give me that pill back.
Now, let me see this. You
Okay.
get in a hurry, and I got a slow down and read it.
Okay.
See, today,
Okay.
and that is for bedtime.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sorry about that. 本当にですか? Ah, so. For some. 大丈夫? For some. I need to really work on that accent, but I think I'm getting it because I could do an authentic Spanish accent as well, and I think I'm catching on to the Russian accent. The Russian accent's really difficult. Da. Привет, друг. Спасибо. But Russian is hard. Yeah, I'm trying to become multilingual. It's not really taking. But I will get there one of these days. I promise you that. What else? Be healed! In the name of Jesus! I hope I don't get struck down by lightning. Okay, sorry. But that's all I have to do for now. I really don't want to do any more silly randomness for today, but I was requested this, so excuse me. So sorry. Didn't mean to do it. Not gonna do it again. Well, maybe I will. If he asks nicely. No, I don't mind doing it. This is fun. I enjoy it. I shall see you again some other time. Goodbye for now.